Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which of the following statements about Restoration comedy are correct? A. It focused on middle-class morality. B. It reflected aristocratic wit and sexual intrigue. C. It rejected satire completely. D. It flourished after 1660. Choose the correct answer. A and C only. B and D only. C. A, B and D only. D. B, C and D only. The right answer is option B and D only. Next question. Which play by Oscar Wilde directly parodies Victorian melodrama conventions? A. Lady Windermere's Fan. B. Salome. C. A Woman of No Importance. D. The Importance of Being Earnest. The right answer is option D. The Importance of Being Earnest. Next question. George Bernard Shaw described which play as a tragedy of old age? A. Candida. B. Mrs. Warren's Profession. C. Heartbreak House. D. Major Barbara. The right answer is option C. Heartbreak House. Next question. Which Beckett play was originally written in French and later translated by Beckett himself? A. Endgame. B. Happy Days. C. Krapp's Last Tape. D. Waiting for Godot. The right answer is option D. Waiting for Godot. Next question. Harold Pinter's use of silence is best described as A. Symbolic absence of dialogue only. B. A political metaphor exclusively. C. A dramatic device conveying threat and power. D. Comic relief technique. The right answer is option C. A dramatic device conveying threat and power. Next question. John Osborne's Look Back in Anger was first staged in which year? A. 1954, B. 1956, C. 1958, D. 1960. The right answer is option B. 1956. Next question. Which Wilde play deals most explicitly with sexual hypocrisy and social double standards? A. An Ideal Husband. B. Lady Windermere's Fan. C. Salome. D. Vera. The right answer is option A. An Ideal Husband. Next question. Shaw's concept of the life force is most central to which play? A. Man and Superman. B. Arms and the Man. C. Caesar and Cleopatra. D. The Devil's Disciple. The right answer is option A. Man and Superman. Next question. In Waiting for Godot, the act structure reflects which philosophical idea? A. Linear progress. B. Cyclical stagnation. C. Aristotelian unity. D. Naturalistic realism. The right answer is option B. Cyclical stagnation. Next question. Which Pinter play involves interrogation as a metaphor for domination? A. The Dumb Waiter. B. The Caretaker. C. The Birthday Party. D. Betrayal. The right answer is option C. The Birthday Party. Next question. The phrase, well-made play, is most frequently subverted by A. Oscar Wilde. B. Bernard Shaw. C. Samuel Beckett. D. Terence Rattigan. The right answer is option B. Bernard Shaw. Next question. Salome was originally written by Oscar Wilde in which language? A. English. B. Latin. C. French. D. German. The right answer is option C. French. Next question. Which Beckett play reduces human existence to disembodied voices? A. Endgame. B. Not I. C. Happy Days. D. Play. The right answer is option B. Not I. Next question. Pinter's play Betrayal employs which narrative structure? A. Stream of consciousness. B. Reverse chronology. C. Episodic montage. D. Circular narration. The right answer is option B. Reverse chronology. Next question. Jimmy Potter's anger in Look Back in Anger primarily represents A. Marxist revolution. B. Existential despair. C. Post-war class frustration. D. Colonial resistance. The right answer is option C. Post-war class frustration. Next question. Shaw rejected which dramatic convention most openly? A. Comic endings. B. Moral didacticism. C. Romantic idealism. D. Stage directions. The right answer is option C. Romantic idealism. Next question. Beckett's drama is most strongly influenced by which philosophical movement? A. Humanism. B. Existentialism. C. Positivism. D. Pragmatism. The right answer is option B. Existentialism. Next question. Which Pinter play uses menace through ordinary domestic conversation? A. Old Times. B. The Dumb Waiter. C. Moonlight. D. Ashes to Ashes. The right answer is option B. The Dumb Waiter. Next question. Arms and the Man undermines which traditional dramatic theme? A. Heroic warfare. B. Domestic harmony. C. Divine justice. D. Female agency. The right answer is option A. Heroic warfare. Next question. Which Beckett character is buried up to her waist and later neck? A. Nell, B. Winnie, C. May, D. Flo. The right answer is option B. Winnie. Question for you. The term, comedy of manners, is most applicable to A. Beckett's plays, B. Pinter's plays, C. Wilde's plays, D. Osborne's plays. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.